Hey buds! Alright, so I have a fat build here. I have Windows Opportunity because it's my favorite perk. I have Boon Circle of Healing because, do you think I'm invincible, bro? Like, I can't heal all the time, man. And then I also have Streetwise because, you know, I can't survive with 40 charges. Who do you think I am? And then Build to Last because, still can't survive on 40 charges. Anyway, see you in game, bros. Garden of Joy. It's a pig. Sorry, it's a rude name. Call it the lady. That was 80% speed for most of that. That's mad. There we go. Bud. 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 I have it again. Hole. This killer likes being crouched because me little tip tappers. Go get Steve-O Bevo. Hello, Steve-O Bevo. You know, Streetwise is an excellent perk. I don't know why people rate it lower than some other perks. Like, it's insane. Like, I just used my entire toolbox on that gen. And I only had like 99% on it because it built to last. These two paired together with a toolbox is just fat, dude. Fat. Alright. Back to the locker, mate. I have another one! Let's go! I'm gonna throw 80 different toolboxes at this pig! Exhaustion Smoshman perks. Who needs them anyway? Sorry, that I can't help but feel a little bit responsible for that trap being on. I don't know why she would go over here. I wasn't on it when it grabbed, so she didn't know that generator was being worked on. So is there no other generator being worked on? I work with thrilling tremors a lot, so I think that's the name of it. Nope, just run. Not into them? Okay. Alright, bud. This is one of those newer tiles, okay. Bye. No, Fang. I say as I am Fang. Oh! After me! Oh, they dropped God. That's so dumb. Alright, looping for 10 years. 10 years. Oh, I didn't know they were gonna go that way. Game! Oh well, I needed to be the next one with a hook stage. Now that they changed now that they changed the way that they're grading survivors, everybody needs to get out for me to get my proper fix. I'm gonna die because of this Meg. Nope. No! Kill me already, bud. Torment Creek. Cold Wind Thumb. Cold Wind Thumb. Cold Wind Thumb. It's a Wesker. Or a Nemi. Or a Nemo. It's either a Wesker or a Nemo. Nemo! Oh, it's a demon. Burst. Not let you. Oh, heal me, both of you, please. Do it. Oh. Come here. Lead you away. Oh, crackheads everywhere. Come here. I wonder if I can get you guys both with the same palette. That's not gonna work. Why was one faster than the other? I don't understand. Big green? It's just that the one that's. Oh my god! I just couldn't get it timed right. That's a shame. Zombies OP? Man's in tier 3 if I've ever seen it. Boom! No. Take her, please. Thank you. Good Nemo. There we go. Did we get this one done? No. Yes? No. permanent box. Toolbox. That's how it is. We may have 3 gender cells, and I might have contributed very heavily to that. No boxes. No more. Whoa, I thought there was a tile over here. Came with a locker. No, none. Oh my god. Could have just went a different way. Ah! Oh, there's no pallet here. I'm dead. Oh dear. No! Maybe shack. Oh, come on. Thanks, pod. Thanks, pod. You wasted so much of my time. Go away. It's enough. Enough from you. You know, somebody else can go get her. Whoa, frame drop. Oh, well, aren't I clumsy? I don't think my teammates like me this much, do they? Jeez, hey Norman. We all just got a bum rush it. Shit! Shit, bud! Woo! No! Norman! Francesca! No! Hi! Hi! Oh! I gotta go get this save. Alright, so I'm gonna go hide over here and wait to see if he goes. Get up there, you look silly! Go, 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 go! Take hits. No bud. No bud. No bud bud. No bud bud. No bud bud. No bud bud. Hey bud. Bye bud. Whee! I think I made up for opening that door. Oh, come on. I wasn't the one with the most points there. This is a good team. Why is it so small? Why is it so small? Everyone else is like 210, 22, 10, and then Nemesis is.
I'm a 1. Oh, hi everybody. I'm Coleman Eagle. I'm just a 1. Ooh.
So weird. Jeez, man. So the Jeff, in the lobby chat, he was like, oh, hey, Feng Min. And I'm like, yes. And he's like, let's be friends. I love Feng Min. And I'm like, all right, friend. I don't know, like, because, you know, if you have Feng Min and you love Feng Min and you're a Jeff, that's kind of weird, because like you could be Feng Min instead, unless there's something here that I'm not getting. Also, I hate this map so much. This is Legion. Means I probably should just go somewhere else, dude. Completely cancel him. Hard for him to do anything, bro. Ugh. Is that? I haven't seen one of those in a while. Jeez. Very cool. Ooh. I think that was Claudette. So definitely they're over there. The Jeff and the Dwight, they were over there in the main building. See you went in here real quick. Oh my god. Poor dude, man. Oh my god, I almost deep-hipped! Fat fingered the... Oh my god, the least. Oh my god, he wasted a bloody party streamer and a gaming mixtape. These guys are definitely Survivor friends.